Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing well, studying well, listening to your parents and being good children, because moral science की वजह से you have learned a lot of life lessons, okay? And it is not only like a lecture to you, but children, these things, they will always help you in each stage of your life, not only when you are small, but जब आप grown up बन जाते हो, adults बन जाते हो, ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो आप बचपन से सीखते आते हो ना, वो आपको हमेशा हेल्प करेगी. Alright, so children, let's talk about the steps of strength in this chapter. It says that strength, it does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. Okay, आपकी physical strength से, ये आपका जो strength है ना, it does not come from your physical strength. आप कितने physically strong हो उससे नहीं आता है. It comes कि आपके पास कितनी will power है, how mentally strong you are. Okay, that is the actual strength. Alright, so get in gear, create a list of 3 challenges that people commonly face, such as school pressure, sports competition and family issues. For each challenge, write a short sentence about how to stay positive and strong. Okay, so बच्चों 3 challenges के बारे में सोचो जो commonly लोग face करते हैं. एक है school pressure, दूसरा है sports competition और तीसरा है फैमिली इश्यूज़. ओके, और इन तीनों चैलेंजेस के बारे में आप लिखो कि ये चैलेंजेस क्या है एंड आप इनको ओवरकम कैसे कर सकते हो बाय बीइंग पॉजिटिव एंड बाय बीइंग स्ट्रॉन्ग. Alright, so children, let's discuss some questions orally. What does it mean to be differently abled? Okay, so you must have heard about the term differently abled. That means that person is physically lacking something, like maybe someone is limping, okay, किसी के हाथ नहीं है, किसी के पैर नहीं है, okay, some are blind, so these are differently abled people. Okay, so what does it mean to never give up even when things are difficult? So for them, okay, not only for them, okay, they for them especially, we can say that what we do, okay, what a normal person can do, they cannot do it. For them it becomes a little difficult because maybe they don't have one leg or one hand, okay, or one part of the body. So why is it important to stay positive during tough times? So kabhi some people are born differently abled and some people become differently abled because of a mishap or an accident that happens in their life. Okay, so there are people जो ऐसे accidents को accept नहीं करते and then they start giving up and then they start feeling depressed. However, there are so many others जो इन accidents को accept करते हैं and they think about ways and means by which they can overcome and still live their life comfortably. Okay, so let's talk about the dance of courage in this chapter. Sudha, she was a little girl who loved dancing to the songs playing on the transistor radio. Her parents, sitting in the living room and enjoying their tea, were both surprised and delighted to see their daughter's natural talent for dance. After finishing her tea, Sudha's mother gave her a tight hug and playfully tickled her, causing Sudha to giggle. Shouldn't we send her for formal dance lessons? She asked her husband. सो सुधा जो है एक छोटी सी बच्ची है, ओके, एंड उसको रेडियो पे गाने सुन के उसकी ट्यून पे डांस करने का बड़ा शौक होता है. ओके, अब उसके पेरेंट्स जो है दे आर सिटिंग इन द लिविंग रूम एंड दे आर एंजॉइंग द टी, ओके, बट दे आर वेरी सरप्राइज एट द सेम टाइम, दे आर वेरी हैप्पी ऑल्सो, वेरी डिलाइटेड ऑल्सो टू सी दैट उनकी जो डॉटर है उसके अंदर नेचुरली ये डांस का टैलेंट है. ओके, तो चाय के बाद जब सुधा अपनी मम्मी के पास आती है तो हर मदर ऑल्सो टिकल्स हर एंड ऑल एंड सुधा लाफ्स. तभी मम्मी जो है वो पापा से पूछती है कि तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि हमें सुधा को एक फॉर्मल डांस क्लास के लिए भेजना चाहिए. ओके, बिकॉज शी इज़ naturally talented, so dance class will enhance her ability. Her father, Mr. Chandran, replied with pride, "Of course, she has a natural gift for it." He lifted Sudha into his arms and kissed her gently on the forehead. So उसके पापा कहते हैं, उसके मिस्टर चंद्रन, he says with pride, yes, उसमें natural talent तो है. ओके और फिर वो उसको he loves her, he kisses her gently. So when Sudha turned 5, Mr. Chandran decided to take her to Kala Sadan, which is a renowned dance school in Mumbai. However, things didn't go as planned. Okay, so जैसे उन्होंने सोचा था उस हिसाब से उनका प्लान नहीं हुआ. जो स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल थे मिस्टर के.एस. रामास्वामी भगवतार, ओके, उन्होंने रिफ्यूज़ कर दिया, सेइंग कि वो बहुत छोटी है अभी, ओके, हम उसको नहीं एनरोल कर सकते. So Mr. Chandran, he was determined to give his daughter a chance, convinced the principal to watch her dance. When Sudha performed, both the principal and the teachers were amazed by her exceptional skill, and she was finally accepted into the school. Okay, Mr. Chandran जो थे उन्होंने he was very determined कि she can do it, okay, and that is the reason why उन्होंने insist किया principal से कि please at least watch her, ओके, सी हर डांस परफॉर्मेंस, उसको कन्विंस कर लिया. ओके, तो बाकी जब प्रिंसिपल और बाकी टीचर्स जब सुधा की परफॉर्मेंस देखने लगे, सो दे वर लाइक वेरी शॉक्ड, ओके, एंड फाइनली दे एक्सेप्टेड हर इन द स्कूल. Sudha's journey with dance had officially begun. She quickly excelled and gave her first stage performance at the age of 8. Okay, so उसका जो उसके डांस की जर्नी शुरू हो गई थी, and she was doing best every time. She excelled every time. Okay, और 8 साल की उम्र में उसने अपनी first stage performance दी. By the time she turned 17, Sudha had performed in 75 dance recitals across different events. So जब तक वो 17 साल की हो गई थी, उसने 75 dance recitals में performance दे दी थी. Okay, but her flourishing career came to a sudden halt in 1981 when she met with a tragic accident on her way to Tiruchi temple. Okay, but ये जो उसका फ्लरिशिंग करियर था, डांस का करियर, वो 1981 में इट केम टू अ हॉल्ट. ओके, जब उनका एक ट्रैजिक एक्सीडेंट हो गया. ओके, जब व्हेन दे वर ऑन देयर वे टू तिरुची टेम्पल. नाउ द बस दैट शी वाज ट्रैवलिंग इन, इट क्रैश्ड, और उसकी वजह से मैनी पैसेंजर्स दे गॉट इंजर्ड. सुधा's right leg was severely hurt. Okay, तो जिस बस में वो लोग ट्रैवल कर रहे थे उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया और बहुत से पैसेंजर्स जो थे उनको चोट लग गई. सुधा का राइट पैर जो था, that got severely hurt. She was rushed to the nearby hospital where her leg was plastered. However, gangrene soon set in, causing her skin to turn a dark color. Days later, when she returned to the doctor, she asked, "Doctor, why has the color of my leg changed?" So अब सुधा का पैर जो था उसको डॉक्टर ने, मतलब हॉस्पिटल में वो लोग इलाज करने तो लेके गए थे, उसको प्लास्टर में भी डाला, बट जो गैंग्रीन था, ओके, इट स्टार्टेड सेटिंग इन, जिसकी वजह से उसके स्किन का कलर भी डार्क होने लगा. अब जब वो डॉक्टर के पास गई तब उसने डॉक्टर से पूछा कि मेरे पैरों का कलर क्यों चेंज हो रहा है, मेरे पैर का कलर क्यों चेंज हो रहा है. So the doctor examined her leg and then gave her a devastating news. अब डॉक्टर ने उसका पैर जो है उसकी जांच की और उसको एक बहुत ही बुरी खबर दी. Okay, Sudha, your leg has developed gangrene. Okay, so that means there's an infection in your leg जो spread हो रहा है. Okay, if we want to save your life, we have no choice but to amputate it. तो उन्होंने उसको कहा, अगर तुम्हारी जान हमें बचानी होगी तो हमारे पास और कोई चॉइस नहीं है सिवाय कि हमें तुम्हारा वो पैर काटना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज द इन्फेक्शन विल स्प्रेड ऑल अक्रॉस योर बॉडी. ओके, नाउ सुधा, शी क्राइड आउट इन डिस्पेयर, फीलिंग एज इफ her dreams of dancing were shattered. Her leg was amputated 7.5 inches below the knee. Okay, अब सुधा वॉज लाइक क्राइंग इन डिस्पेयर. उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या किया जाए, मेरा डांसिंग करियर तो पूरी तरह से बर्बाद हो जाएगा उसकी वजह से. बट दे हैड नो चॉइस. उन्होंने उसका पैर काट दिया उसके पैर को 7.5 inches बिलो द नीज. सुधा स्लोली केम टू टर्म्स विथ हर न्यू रियलिटी. अब धीरे धीरे सुधा ने अपनी नई रियलिटी को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था. शी लर्न टू वॉक अगेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्रचेस एंड अ वुडन लेग. ओके, उसके बाद उसने धीरे धीरे क्रचेस के हेल्प के साथ और एक वुडन लेग लगा के, ओके, आर्टिफिशियल वुडन लेग लगा के, शी स्टार्टेड टू लर्न हाउ टू वॉक. ओके, Her parents shared her pain deeply, and her father even bought her a wheelchair to help her ease her movement. Okay, उसके बाद her parents could feel the pain that she is going through. Okay, तो उसके पापा ने उसके लिए एक व्हील चेयर भी लाई थी ताकि उसका मूवमेंट जो है वो थोड़ा ईजी हो जाए. बट सुधा शी रिफ्यूज्ड इट. सुधा ने रिफ्यूज़ किया टू यूज़ द व्हील चेयर. I won't use it, father, she said, determined to keep walking with her crutches despite the severe pain. बट उसने बोला कि मैं व्हील चेयर को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करूँगी. आई विल कंटिन्यू टू वॉक विद द हेल्प ऑफ द क्रचेस, ऑल्दो बहुत पेनफुल था. 6 months passed, and one day, while reading a magazine, Sudha's father found an article about Dr. Sethi, the inventor of the Jaipur foot, okay, an artificial leg. This discovery brought new hope to Sudha, and she thought, maybe I can walk again without crutches. उसके बाद ऐसे ही उसके पापा जब एक आर्टिकल देख रहे थे, पढ़ रहे थे, ओके, मैगजीन, ओके, उन्होंने जयपुर फुट के बारे में देखा. ओके, शी वॉज ट्राइंग टू वॉक विद द वुडन फुट दैट शी हैड, ओके, दैट मीन्स द क्रचेस, बट हर फादर ट्राई टू गिव हर दैट, ही सॉ दैट एड अबाउट द जयपुर फुट. ओके, अब सुधा के मन में एक उम्मीद सी जग गई. ओके, शी सेड कि शायद से मैं क्रचेस के बिना ये फुट लगा के चल पाऊंगी. So Mr. Chandran took Sudha to meet Dr. Sethi in Jaipur. After examining her leg, Dr. Sethi assured her, you will be able to walk normally again. Sudha's spirits, they lifted, okay, and with hesitations he asked, will I ever dance again? Yes, of course, Dr. Sethi reassured her. So अब सुधा की जो उम्मीद थी वो जाग गई थी. Okay, she asked Dr. Sethi की मतलब will I be able to walk again? He said, yes, you will be able to walk again. And then she asked कि क्या मैं डांस कर पाऊंगी? And he says, yes, you can. Okay, so now Dr. Sethi created a lightweight aluminium foot for Sudha. Okay, she was walking with the wooden foot which was heavier. So अब Dr. Sethi ने सुधा के लिए एक aluminium का foot बनाया which was lightweight. Okay, it was specially designed to allow easy leg rotation. So उसको इस तरीके से डिज़ाइन किया था that her leg could easily rotate and move around. So returning to Mumbai with her new leg, Sudha could walk, but dancing was still difficult. Even walking for long periods caused her pain, and at times her leg would bleed. Okay, so she came back home with her new foot. Okay, but dancing थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो गया था उसके लिए क्योंकि ज़्यादा देर वो चल नहीं पा रही थी. ज़्यादा देर चलती तो पैर से खून भी आ रहा था. She went back to Dr. Sethi, who then made an improved version of the artificial leg. This new leg was much more comfortable, and with time Sudha began practicing dance again. Her perseverance paid off, and soon the day came for her to return to the stage. Okay, अब because of that pain and everything that she was going through, वो डॉक्टर सेठी के पास दोबारा जाते हैं. अब डॉक्टर सेठी ने अब तक he had brought about an improvement, okay, in that leg, okay, और उन्होंने improved version जो था of that artificial leg उसको fit कर दिया. Okay, अब ये जो नया पैर था वो ज़्यादा comfortable था और उसकी वजह से as time passed, okay, Sudha was able to start dancing. Okay, she started practicing the dance again. Okay, and her perseverance, okay, she never gave up. She wanted to dance so badly. Okay, her perseverance, it paid off. Okay, and soon, okay, that day came when she was going to return back to the stage. Okay, on January 28th, 1984, Sudha performed in front of an audience once again, dancing with her Jaipur foot. Okay, so in the year 1984 वो दोबारा से स्टेज पे आई. Okay, and she was going to dance in front of the audience wearing the Jaipur foot. Her performance mesmerized everyone, and the audience gave her a standing ovation that lasted several minutes. Okay, उसके performance it was so mesmerizing. Everyone was just in awe looking at her, the way she was performing, the way she was dancing. Because at the end of the performance एक standing ovation मिला which went on for minutes together. So it was a moment of triumph for Sudha, proving that she had conquered her disability and emerged stronger than ever. So it was just a moment of victory, a triumph. Okay, she had won that. She had won over all the challenges in life. Okay, and she had proved that she had वन ओवर द डिसेबिलिटी दैट शी हैड, ओके, और वो और ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग बन गई थी. Sudha went on to become a celebrated dancer and actor, showing the world that even with a disability one can achieve great success. अब सुधा जो है एक बहुत ही फेमस डांसर बन गई थी, एंड शी ऑल्सो वेंट इन टू द फील्ड ऑफ एक्टिंग, ओके, एंड in spite of having that disability, okay, she was able to achieve great success. Her story was so inspiring. Okay, नाचे मयूरी was made to capture her incredible journey. Okay, उसकी स्टोरी पे एक मूवी बन गई जिसका नाम था नाचे मयूरी. Okay, wherein she only has acted, okay, in that movie. Okay, that is her true story, and it is such an inspiring story for those who feel that our world has ended. Okay, when they when they have to face any kind of disability because unforeseen circumstances. So how you perceive yourselves, okay, how you how you stay positive, how you have a strong willpower, okay, that helps you to overcome the difficulties or the challenges, और उसकी वजह से okay you work harder, okay, to achieve your goals in life. All right, now what is the key message here? Being differently able does not define one's potential. With courage, determination and support, individuals can achieve their dreams and lead inspiring, successful lives. Okay, their strength overcomes from overcoming challenges and proving that true ability comes from within. So बच्चों, Sudha Chandran is not the only person, okay. There are so many people in our country and all across the world, okay, who take part in Paralympics. Okay, Paralympics is the is the Olympics for specially or for differently abled people, जहाँ पे आप देखोगे किसी का आर्टिफिशियल हाथ है, किसी के आर्टिफिशियल पैर है, कोई स्विमिंग कर रहा है बहुत अच्छे से, कोई somebody is into archery, somebody is into shooting, so many things. So there are people, okay, who have not given up and who believe that even though we are differently abled, that does not mean that we don't have the potential और हमारे अंदर वो स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है. सो इट सेज दैट इफ़ यू हैव द करेज, अगर आप डिटरमाइंड हो, आपको कुछ हासिल करना है, आपको अच्छा सपोर्ट मिलता है आपके घर वालों से, ओके, यू कैन ऑलवेज अचीव योर ड्रीम्स, ओके, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो इंस्पायर अदर्स. ओके, सो द स्ट्रेंथ, it comes from within. It comes when you want to overcome the challenge that you're facing, okay, and you want to show your true ability. Okay, so what are the things that you need to keep in mind? You have to believe that perseverance, it helps you to stay focused and it helps you to achieve your goals, okay, even when there are a lot of difficulties in life. Challenges, they make you stronger and they teach you valuable lessons. Staying positive during the hard times, it keeps you motivated and it helps you to keep going. Okay, जब भी हमारे लाइफ में challenges आते हैं, okay, and when we face them positively, okay, we can do better in life. It becomes a motivation for us. All right, so children, now quickly reread this beautiful chapter, okay, and then start doing the quiz. You can also do a research and find out more such people and their life stories. All right, get going.